father passed away when I was about 8 years old, a few years ago, and I didn't really have any clue of where I was going, what I was supposed to do in life. So band has kind of provided sort of a structure and rigidity, and a big family, of course, a lot of friends that I enjoy hanging out with, and it means a lot to me.
I actually was going to quit marching band after my freshman year, but I decided to give it one more go, and I mean, look where I am now. It's been an incredible journey, and I think band and music and everybody who's been a part of it has definitely changed me as a person. It's maybe I'm more aware of what's going on besides myself, and I think that's really important. And I wouldn't be who I am today without band.
Back in middle school, it was really tough for me. I was losing a lot of friends because they're going in different crowds, and when I came into band, it just meant the world to me that I had a ton of friends who had the same goal and passion as I do. I'm really proud of who I've become through the program.
I think the payoff of being in band is knowing that I can go out there with my friends and do something we all enjoy and do it with perfection or excellence, and come off the field knowing that we did our best no matter what our score was or what our place was.